morning, student. Today topics matrices. Definition: a rectangle array of numbers containing m rows and n columns is called a matrix. The elements are enclosed in a square bracket, thus A11, A12, A13 A1n, A21, A22, A23, A2n AM1, AM2, AM3, AMN. This matrix may be denoted by suffix aij या ब्रैकेट A या YA, capital A. It may be called an M into N matrix. In any elements aij, the first suffix indicates the row and the second suffix indicate the column in which the element aij occurs. Equality of matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal if and only if: first, they have the same numbers of rows; second, they have the same number of columns; and third, the elements in the corresponding place of the matrix are the same. For example, the matrices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are equal 3 row and 3 columns. Second may be 3 row and 3 columns. Next, type of matrices. First है square matrix. If in any matrix the number of rows equal to the number of columns, the matrix is called a square matrix. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in bracket is a square matrix. Row matrix is first row matrix. If a matrix has only one row, the matrix is called a row matrix. For example, bracket 1, 2, 3 is a row matrix. Second, column matrix. If a matrix has only one columns, the matrix is called a column matrix. For example, vertically है 1, 2, 3 bracket is a column matrix. Difference 1, 2, 3 horizontally row matrix and vertically 1, 2, 3 is a column matrix. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its elements except the diagonal elements are 0. Example 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3 ब्रैकेट में is a diagonal matrix, a scalar matrix if all the elements of a diagonal matrix are equal. The matrix is said to be a scalar matrix. For example, 3 0 0 0 3 0 थर्ड रो 0 3 0 ब्रैकेट में is a scalar matrix. Next, unit matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a unit matrix if each of the diagonal element is equal to unity. For example, first row 1 0 0, second row 0 1 0, third row 0 0 1 is a unit matrix. We represent such type of matrix by I. Unit matrix represent I. Next, null या zero matrix. If all the elements of a matrix are zero, the matrix is called a null matrix. It is denoted by 0.